By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a complete invoice and client management system inside Notion using linked databases and custom views. Notion is incredibly flexible. It can be whatever you need it to be, from a simple note-taking app to a full-blown project management hub. Today, we're going to harness that power to track your invoices and clients in one clean, connected workspace. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, we need to create the foundation, our databases. Start by opening a new page in Notion. I recommend making this a full-width page for the best visual clarity. Once you're on a blank page, type a /, then type Table View. You'll see an option for Table Inline or Table Full Page. Choose the inline version so it sits on this page alongside other content. Notion will ask you to name this new database. Call it Invoices Database. Hit Enter, and you'll have a fresh table ready for action. This is where every single invoice you create will live, with all the important details organized in rows. Directly underneath that table, we're going to add a second database. Repeat the process. Type a / then Table View again. Name this one Clients Database. This table will store all your client contact details, things like email addresses, phone numbers, company names, and notes. Having a separate database keeps everything clean and modular. You can always add more information later without cluttering your invoices. Now, here's where the real magic happens. We need to link these two databases together, so you can see at a glance which invoices belong to which client. In your Invoices database, add a new column by clicking the plus button at the far right of the header row. Scroll down and select Relation. Notion will ask you which database you want to connect to. Choose your client's database. Give this property a name like Related Client. Once it's added, you'll see that each invoice row now has a field where you can link to a specific client. Click inside that field, and Notion will show you all of your clients. Select one, and instantly the two databases are connected. On the client side, Notion automatically creates a reciprocal roll-up property showing all invoices linked to that client. This gives you a full billing history for every client without any extra work. With the link established, let's configure the core properties of your Invoices database. Each property is a piece of data that makes your invoice actionable and searchable. Start with the name property. By default, Notion gives you a name column. This is where you'll put the project title or the invoice name, something descriptive like Website Redesign for Acme Corp. or Monthly Consulting January. Next, add an invoice number property. Click the plus button again and choose text, name it INPOF number, and enter something like VT.1. This is important for your own records and for referencing invoices when you talk to clients. Now, add an amount property. Click plus, choose number, and name it amount. Once it's created, click on the property header to open its settings. You'll see an option for number format. Change this to currency and select your local currency, for example, PHP for Philippine pesos or USD for US dollars. Notion will automatically add the currency symbol and format the numbers with commas. This keeps everything professional and easy to read. Next, add a date property. Name it Date Issued. This is the day you sent the invoice. Then add a second date property named Due Date. This tracks your payment deadlines. Having both dates allows you to see at a glance how overdue an invoice really is. Finally, add a status property. Click plus, choose status, and name it status. Notion gives you default options like Not Started, In Progress, and Complete, but we're going to customize these. Click on the property header, then click the three dots next to each option to rename them. Change them to Draft, Sent, Partial, Paid, and Overdue. If you want, you can also change the colors: green for paid, red for overdue, yellow for draft, and so on. This gives you a powerful visual cue for your workflow. Now that your properties are set up, it's time to build views that make this data work for you. Without views, you're just staring at a flat table. With views, you can slice and dice your invoices in seconds. At the top of your Invoices database, you'll see a plus button next to all. Click it and select Board View. Name it by status. In a board view, every status becomes a column. Drag and drop invoice cards from one column to another as they progress. Move a draft to sent when you email it, then to paid when the money clears. This is a visual drag and drop way to manage your workflow. But wait, there's more. Create another view by clicking the plus again, and this time choose List View. Name it Overdue Invoices. In a list view, you can apply filters. Click the filter button at the top right of the view. Add a filter, select Status and choose Is and then Overdue. Now this view shows only overdue invoices. You can even add a second filter if you want to show only invoices with a due date in the past. This becomes your daily or weekly follow-up list. Who do you need to chase? This view tells you instantly. Let me give you a best practice tip. Once you've built your views, you can rename them at the top of the database to keep your workspace tidy. Name the default table view All Invoices, your board view Pipeline, and your filtered list view Follow-ups. You can also change the icon of your page to something like an invoice icon or a $sign to make it visually distinct. As a final tip, don't forget to use the linked client field. When you create a new invoice, always select the client from your client's database. Over time, you'll be able to click on any client and see their entire billing history, every invoice, every amount, every due date, all without leaving their profile page. This is the kind of setup that saves you hours of manual searching and prevents missed follow-ups. You've now built a complete invoice and client management system inside Notion. You can track the status of every invoice, spot overdue payments in seconds, and maintain a clean relationship with your clients. If you ever need to add more clients or invoices, just add new rows. The linked database does the heavy lifting for you. If you found value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.